Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
Okay, so today we're gonna dupe out the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Cosmetics and the JUVIA'S Place Disco Party. I think that was her collab with FUMI, and it's the blue one because they kind of like get the same kind of shades. So if you want to see how this look, let us get started. So I'm gonna do one eye with Blue Blood, and then I'm gonna do my next eye with this. So there's similar, there's a couple similar shades. Let me show y'all. So let's go in with this first. So I'm gonna use this blush. This is a Y212 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I think I'm gonna do a how you call that? A spotlight eye. So I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm just gonna keep tapping it to get what the shade I want, or the consistency that I want. And then I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put this right here. And just keep on blending. These shades are not the easiest to work with, but you have to, like, you know, make it work. So now I'm gonna take this brush. This is a 514 from Morphe, and then I'm just gonna like blend this edge a little bit because I don't want it to be like super harsh. Kind of like so. Now I do want a little bit of this to just kind of clean this up a bit. Because you need, well, I need glitter glue. And I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue from NYX. I don't know if the shades are going to match exactly, but we're going to try. I might put a little highlight from something else in here, not from, but I'll put it on both eyes. Kind of like so. And now back to this part, to this brush. Okay, so that's it for this eye. Let's jump into the Jeffree Star palette. I think I'm gonna do Undertaker. I think the shades might be a little bit different, but sometimes it's two different palettes, right? So you have to make it work. So I'm gonna take a clean brush. This is an M506, and we're gonna go into Undertaker. And then I'm gonna put this right here. I think this is a little bit of a different shade. And I bring it in here. So I feel like the shades are gonna look different, but it's okay. I feel like it's a different blue. This is kind of more navy blue. Okay. No. Need a little bit of this.
It's for somebody special. Yeah.
I'm just putting a little bit of glitter glue. Oops. Which I'm not really talking about this because this is literally NYX glitter glue, nothing special. No. We need another blush. This is another M506. And I think I'm gonna go into Entitled. So I think this, so it's gonna be like a different shade of blue. So you see, this blue is lighter than this. So this is falling and then back to the blue. Yeah, this is different. But they're both blending very well. My only issue is the shade. But the other blue was gonna be like too dark. This was the closest to like bluish green that was in the palette. Just that one is kind of darker and the other one is lighter. I need to bring brushes up, and I might use this. Wasn't planned. This is a Lunar Beauty brush, and I'm just gonna blend these edges. You know, I know there's bad block, but I'm just using the brushes I have. Back to this. Now back to this eye a bit. I keep going back and forth with my brushes because I do need a little bit more of this green. Yeah, let me blend this. Nope, wrong brush. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna like do my lashes and then I'll come back online and then I'll do my face and then we're gonna talk about, you know, the palette. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so let's jump back. I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Stay All Night foundation. This foundation is like perfect. Like my shade, sorry. I have a few foundation, not a lot. That's like, it doesn't matter. See, like, look at this. It's like the perfect shade for me. Especially these foundations are so expensive. The last thing you want to do is having to buy multiple to, like, if I had to do this, like, this would be like more than $100, you know. And I don't get products sent to me, so I have to buy all my stuff. So yeah. But this is perfect. I'm gonna use my Cover FX Power Play concealer. And for my bronzer, I'm actually gonna use this. This is not a bronzer. This is actually a foundation stick from Fashion Fair, but I just got a dark shade. This is kind of more on the red side. And this is a E44 brush from Morphe. I'm letting my concealer dry up a bit. I do like to do that because then I feel like I get a little bit more coverage. Not doing too much, or like going with more. I'm not going to do too much, but hey, let's put some more. Then I'm using my slick brush to just, you know, buff this up. And then my powder brush, or my foundation brush, sorry. Just kind of blend this to go to my contour so it looks seamless. I'm gonna use my Nikkia Joy powder. I'm gonna use this in a minute. So I like this powder. My only issue with it is I don't like the smell. Don't like the smell. I don't think it's anything crazy. It's just one of the things. I don't like the smell. And for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Sephora Broken powder. Gross. Okay. Now I'm gonna do something on the eye. I'm gonna do the same thing. Use one shade. Well, use. So this is the JUVIA'S Place eye. We're just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna use one shade of. So I'm gonna use the dark blue shade. That's it for this eye, and I'm gonna do the same thing except use that navy blue for that other eye from this palette. We're gonna use Undertaker. That is great. And now we're gonna do a little fake awake from Tarte. And a little tight lining with my Waterline Legend from Urban Decay. So I'm gonna use Matte Radiant Golden Finish from MAC. And we're gonna use my Alleyoop brush and just. I like brushes that kind of shape like this. This is dirty, but it will do the job because I feel like it just, you know, kind of works. Let's use Pinch Me from MAC. And let us do a little highlighter. I'm gonna use the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by JUVIA'S Place. Just looks like so. And I'm gonna use my Lunar Magic brush and I just put a little bit right here. This is from Huda Beauty, but this is what? Very rich brown. Let's do rich brown. I feel like I want something brown on here first. Maybe. Let's just use Chill from Tower. So let us talk a little bit about the palettes, right? So the palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is the Blue Blood palette, it's $52. Granted, I can't really compare them on like really price like too much. Because you know this has like more shades. This has like 6, 12, 18 shades, correct, and then this only has 4 shades. So yeah, this is $10 and this is $52, but this only has like literally 4 shades. So I feel like the looks you can do with this are very limited, like compared to the looks you can do with this. So with that, I won't focus like too much on this formulation, this worked better. This I feel like blends so well. Did this blend? Yes. This blends so much like smoother and creamier, and so, but again, the quality could be like totally better because this is 52, and even if they had like 18 shades in this, I don't think it would be $52 because Juvia's Place palettes are just not that expensive. But I'm just gonna focus on not necessarily price, because quantity, that's where the price could come in, but the formulation, it's a different formula. It's a different formula, and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics one is like so good, you know, it's so good. So yeah. Final question of the day, is this a dupe? Nope, this one is not a dupe. The formulation is totally different, like it's totally different. It was much easier for me to blend this versus blending this. So yeah, so this is my final thoughts on it. It is not a dupe. If you get the Juvia's Place one, or if you have that palette, you can 100% use it, right? But is it a dupe? No. So that's it, guys, for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know ain't no distance, ain't no